In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank statements into Zoho Books. This is really useful if your bank doesn't have a direct feed set up with Zoho, or if you have historical statements that you want to bring into your accounting records. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to enter so your bank data is accurate and ready for reconciliation. First, from your Zoho Books dashboard, look for the banking module. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on Banking. This section is where all of your bank and credit card accounts will live inside Zoho Books. If you already have accounts connected, you'll see them listed here. If this is your first time, the page might look quite empty, and that's totally fine. Once you're in the banking section, look for the option that says Add Manually. This tells Zoho that you're not using an automatic bank feed, and that you want to set up a bank or credit card account by entering the details yourself. Click on Add Manually to start creating a new account in Zoho Books that will represent your real-world bank or card account. After you click Add Manually, you'll be taken to a page where you need to fill in the details of this account. This is a really important step because whatever you enter here will determine how your transactions are tracked later on. Start by entering the account name. Use something clear and recognizable, like the name of your bank and the last few digits of the account number. This will make it easier to identify if you have multiple accounts. Next, choose the correct account type, such as bank or credit card. Make sure you select the right currency, especially if you deal with multiple currencies in your business. You may also see fields for things like the account number, a description, or an opening balance. Take your time with the opening balance in particular. This should match the balance from your bank on the date you plan to start tracking transactions in Zoho Books. If you're unsure, check a recent bank statement to confirm the exact amount and date. When you're confident everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Save. Zoho Books will create the account using the details you've provided.